Good morning. This is Dr. Vicki. Today is Thursday of week 3 in your mastery journey. I just want to clear up a little bit of what's required of you for the personal learning network and the assignments this week. This is not as complex of a week for most people, but they find a couple months down the line this was a very beneficial week. This is not something that's just assignments that you check, 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 I'm done, and move on. If you do this correctly, this information does become a network for you for learning and for networking and for your profession. So let's try to put as much time as you can in this. So let's look at the personal learning network. What are you going to do with your personal learning network? Well, to show you that, what I want to do is I want to go to Carrie Whaley's Mastery Journal. This is available to you to look at. It's in your week 2 under creating your mastery journal in Adobe Spark. This is a student's mastery journal that's put there in week 2, so you can go back and look at week 2. What I want to do is I want to show you using this what we mean by the personal learning network. Now, under Carrie's, right here, under her personal learning network, she titled it as a heading, LinkedIn. Right here, what she has is a screenshot of her homepage on LinkedIn. She also has a URL link right here inviting everyone to connect with her. Now, what's required for this assignment is the screenshot right here, the screenshot of your homepage on LinkedIn. You do not have to provide the link. Out of privacy protection, we are not requiring you to put the link. As long as you have a homepage that we can see where you have a LinkedIn profile. Why LinkedIn? Around the world, most professionals in all industries use LinkedIn to link in. It's exactly what it says. So you can reach out across the world and globally and connect with people that are doing the same things that you're interested in or have similar likes or similar fields. It's a way to get a virtual network, if you will. So we find it very important. What you do with it down the line will be 100% up to you, but we'd like to see that you at least have a LinkedIn. And again, all you have to put here is a screenshot image of it. Putting a link for us to connect with you on the LinkedIn is optional. Okay? So now on week 3, under your personal learning network, that's what we're going to do. You're going to establish a LinkedIn professional profile, or if you already have one, update it if you like. If it's the way you like it already, fine, that's all the better. Capture a screenshot of your profile homepage and upload the screenshot onto your mastery blog. Okay, what's the deliverables? What you have to deliver is you have to take the link to your Adobe Spark journal, the URL link, and you need to post it in the completion so that the instructor can go click on that. I understand it seems redundant because we just did this in week 2, you gave me the link, but I don't have them all memorized. So anytime we ask you to do something that's in your online profiles or online blogs, please go ahead and put the link again so that we can click on it in a timely manner and review your blog. So again, all we need is you to have a LinkedIn profile and a screenshot image of the homepage. So that is very simple. The assignment, the brainstorming and research framework, it's a worksheet. What it's doing is it's extending your personal learning network, if you will. It's allowing you to personally take some very specific and individualized information based on your chosen degree program and your potential career in that. And it's allowing you to find information that will be very useful for you while you're continuing this degree program and in your professional side. So again, it's not just an assignment as to be seen as a checklist. Students do realize down the line a little bit that this information was very valuable. It's a lot of things we don't think about when we're starting a new educational or career journey that it's going to force us to do. If you want to see what a completed one looks like, right here under brainstorming worksheet assignment example, right here, if you download that, you're going to see the example of a student that submitted a worksheet that earned maximum points. So if you'd like to see what a maximum point looks like, by all means, download Rosario's and take a look at that. So what you're going to do is you're going to get this worksheet down here. You're going to answer all of the questions to the best of your ability, and you're going to upload it. It's as simple as that. Okay, you're going to reflect on your personal course of study here at Full Sail. Everyone in this mastery courses are in their own individual degree program, so not everyone in the course is in the same degree program. You're going to reflect on your degree program. You're going to review all the career resources in your industry. So there's a lot of things that you're going to do. One thing I want to point out right here where it says you're going to evaluate the Full Sail online course catalog. What you're going to do is you're going to click on that link. You're going to go to your particular degree program. You're going to outline all 12 of the courses in your journey. Month 1 is mastery, whatever month 2 is, month 3, each one specifically. You're going to list each particular course. And you're going to put a quick blog or just a bullet point or whatever works best for you on how each course individually will enhance your mastery journey. Then you're going to outline a personal SWOT analysis of your current readiness for your chosen field. How ready are you right this moment? Well, most of us wouldn't be undertaking a new degree program in an educational journey if we were 100% ready at the moment, would we? So don't feel bad about that. It's your own checklist, your own checkup, if you will. It's like a medical exam, but it's a career-ready exam. Strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. You're going to analyze yourself as you're ready for your particular career based on the degree that you're taking. What are your strengths right now, your weaknesses right now, opportunities, and threats? That's the SWOT analysis. It's 4 blocks: strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. You're going to do that. In addition, you're going to develop ways to enhance 3 areas of focus. After you do that, pick 3 areas that you want to focus on and determine how are you going to develop those areas. Okay, do not forget, for the SWOT analysis, you'll fill out the chart, and then in addition, identify ways to develop 3 areas of it. Bulleted responses are perfectly fine. In the end, this worksheet is for you. It's just my job to make sure that you know why we're doing it, what our hope is for this. Our hope is this becomes a valuable tool for you to keep adding to and subtracting from, to make sure that by the time you are done with the program, that you've addressed all of the areas that you needed to enhance and all the things that you needed to learn, and that you will have a network so that you can just hit the ground running. Okay? And one thing is where it says use 4 research resources, with one of them being EBSCOhost. I don't particularly care where you get your resources, so don't worry about that. I don't grade based on how many of them were from EBSCO or how many of them were from here or there. Wherever you get your information is fine, as long as you provide the references and cite it. Okay? And then what you're going to do is you're just going to upload the worksheet for us to grade. All right? So if you have any questions, let me know. I can't wait to see what you produce. Are you ready? Let's go.